Alright friends, since we are talking about numbers, let's now print some of the two numbers on the screen. First, we will define two numbers. Number 1 is equal to, for example, 5. And then number 2 is equal to 4, for example. Now, I can either store their sum in another variable or directly print the result. To print directly, what I will do, I say print inside the parentheses, I will add them. Number 1 plus number 2. When I run it, I say right click and run 6. You will see 9 on the screen. Alternatively, I can store the result in a new variable. For example, I can say total. Total is my variable name. So I will add number 1 plus number 2. When I print it, I print it total value, I print, and then I say total, I run it, you will see 9 again. You can also directly add numbers inside the print. For example, I can say 5 plus 4, for example. You see 9 again. So, after defining variable, you can either use them directly inside the print function and add them, or, like here, store the sum in a new variable and then print that variable. That's it. That's how we add and print two numbers in Python. See you in the next lesson.